leading to the devotion to the Immaculada Concepcion de Malolos through exhibits and processions. We acknowledge the members of the Santo Niño de Malolos Foundation Incorporated and its chaplain, Father J. Nina, the parish and minor basilica of the Immaculate Conception of Malolos, with its rector, Reverend Father Bobby Marian. Nuestra Señora de la Immaculada Concepcion de Malolos,
ipanalangin mo kami.
Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario de Balubal, this image is under the care of the Pocato family from Balubal, Porac, Pampanga, also joining us this year for the first time. The holy image depicting the Blessed Virgin Mary under the title Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario fulfilled its intended mission for the Catholic faithful to gather people in the shared devotion to the Holy Rosary, thereby guiding them closer to Jesus Christ, our Savior. Created in 2020, the image inspired the community, children, fathers, workers, and elders to pray the Rosary, especially during the month of October. Balubal in Porac, Pampanga has recently begun a local devotion culminating in an October procession honoring the Blessed Virgin. This tradition must